Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this super nice knife. I love this resin wood handle that is so pretty. It would make a fantastic gift, especially with Father's Day coming up. I mean, this little guy is great. It's a 67-layer Damascus steel. You can see that beautiful design in there. Nice and sharp 8-inch chef's blade. And you've got your 5-inch handle, so you can easily hold on to it. I mean, weighted beautifully in your hand. I mean, it feels absolutely fantastic. But the feel is not the only thing. The look, of course, is something to show off because this thing's beautiful. But how it cuts, really nicely. I mean, chopping right through that pepper. So that is really great. And then if you wanted to get out something a little bit thicker, I've actually got a cookie here. So we can cut up our cookie. Let me rinse off this pepper because I don't want my cookie to taste bad. But you can easily wash this thing off. Then I've got this cookie that's been sitting in the fridge, like it is a hard cookie. Cuts right through it. I mean, that does fantastic. The icing, I mean, the coldness of it all. It's a beautiful knife that you can use whether you're cutting up, cookies, vegetables, fruit, anything like that. This is a great thing. It does come with a nice little polishing cloth that you can easily clean it up with and a little sleeve to store it in. That way you are ready to use it over and over again. It's a beautiful knife for any kitchen.